According to Muhammad, and I can show the reference. مرقاة المفاتيح شرح مشكاة المصابيح. Volume number 7, page number 2677, I think. Yeah. You will see here it says, Muhammad talking, not me. Remember that. And you know here, we are going to use Google translation. But before we translate, it says, in the green you will see it, that Allah, praise be He have a white rooster. His wings is covered by zabarjad. I don't know how to translate the word zabarjad. And yaqut, which mean pearls and rubies, and lu'lu. One wing in the east and one wing in the west. And his head is under the throne, and his feet is in the air, and yu'adhinu, and he say Allahu Akbar each time, you know, it's time for the night prayer. And not only that, it says here, when this rooster or chicken, praise be Allah, to be Allah, in another story it says that when he do that, all the people in the sky and the earth, except the genie and the human, they will hear it. Obviously this is a true story, and it is scientifically accurate. And yeah, you know what? Allah, He like to have a rooster. What's your business? Use Google translation. And let us see if Chrsitian Prince translation was. Here we go. God, glory be to Him. He has a rooster, white rooster. Its wings are located, you know, as I translate to you, you can, I'm going to post the link for you anyway. So you can use Google translation and read by your own. And remember, Muhammad always, he have to cover his bum when he says something, because they will ask him, how come we don't hear it? Then he will say, I told you, only human and genie cannot hear it.